So, hello guys! Andito tayo para mag-unboxing sa ating pinamili noong Black Friday. So, unahin ko muna itong this. Para malabhan na siya. Ito yung mga nabili ko siya. Ito, mga pants. Mga naka 50% off sale siya. So, ayun, nakamura kasi naka 50% off. So, yun. Tapos, sunod naman, dahil gusto ko yung bag na ito, kaya pumunta na rin ako. Kasi diba, ang ganda ng bag. So, syempre, nakasale din siya. Mga damit. Mura na lang yung mga damit. Walang katapusan damit. Tapos ito, mga Christmas. Yan. Tapos, ito. Gusto ko yung mga bag. Kaya, tingnan mo, diba? Gusto ko yung bag. Kasi, i-unboxing ko para malaban muna. So, ito naman. Dahil sa Under Armour, dahil Black Friday kahapon, so kahit anong bilhin mo is may freebie sila na ganito, libre siya. So syempre, dahil Black Friday, may silang Black Friday, pero mura lang siya. Kasi nakaroon din sila, naka 50% off din sila, mga naka 50%. Tapos kailangan ko na kasing labhan. So mag-unboxing muna tayo. Pagtapon lang dito. Para malaban. Pinagtatapon ko na dito. So, yun. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang Cat and Body Works. Buy 3, save 3 sila. So, mga lotion. Kahapon, buy 3, save 3. So, usually, lagi naman nila ginagamit. So, plus may coupon ka pa. Pag damang ka namimili sa kanila, may mga free stuff. So, yun. So, dito naman, sa dito naman, ang gusto nila. So, pink. So, yun. Ako na sana gusto ng anak ko. Yung, jacket. So, yan. Kailangan ko labhan muna. So, syempre, may coupon ulit. So, para next shopping, may mga coupon. Yan ko lang. So, we'll see yung mga namili ko. Tapos yun. Yan. Kailangan ko nang malabhan kasi kaya unboxing muna siya. But last but not the least, Victoria's Secret. So, ito. Victoria's Secret. Last but not the least. So, yan. Mga pants. More damit. Dahil, kung nakita nyo, nagbabalik sila sa, Victoria Fashion Show. Tapos, mga pantolo. Tapos yun, syempre, dahil Victoria's Secret, lagi silang may sale. So, ito yung nakaka-sale na libre. Kung may unboxing natin. So, diba? Ganda. Ganda siya. So, mga freebie siya, guys. So, maraming freebie pag Black Friday sale. So, yep. Ayan siya. Ganda. Yung laki. So, yun lang. Bye! Thank you for watching. Mabilisang unboxing bago maglaba. Laba. So, ayan. Daming sale. Guys, see what I get today. So, come on closer because I need to closer unboxing it. Here, I need to untie it. So, yeah, there's untie it. So, what we got? It's Black Friday sale. Dun, 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 dun. So let's see. Oopsie. It's Dior. There you go.
let's see what's inside. Let's look what's inside of Dior. Oopsie, I don't want to ruin it, but ready? Already I'm excited. There's the Dior. And there's like thing, look at that. So let's see what's inside of the Dior car. And there's of course the inside of the Dior. It's a lipstick. Check. There's another one. And there's another one. So look at that. It's a Dior. Can't wait to use it. And there's, aside from this, they have like, let's put that inside. And they have this. Let's see. Let's see what's in here. Let's see. I think this is the sample. The Savage, the sample of the, I don't know how to pronounce that. And there's another one. And there's more of the freebie in here. See, let's see. Let's see what's in here. Oh show. Oh my god. I try not to ruin it, but it's open. Oh my goodness, I don't know what's this. Oh, it's a keychain. It's a keychain from Dior. And there's from that, there's one more. Let's see what's in here. It's heavy. It's super heavy. Oh my god, I'll just like cut it off instead. So there you go. Let's see. There's another Dior that it comes in the package. Oh my god, it's another lipstick. Oh my goodness. It comes with it. Let's see. It's a mini lipstick. Let's see what's look like. There you go. A tiny mini Dior. And I think the other one is, it comes with a mirror. So there's it's a mirror from Dior. So let's see. Oh my goodness, there you go. It's a mirror from Dior. Ding ding ding. So this is what I got from Black Friday sale. This one, and with the keychain, and where's the lipstick? Okay, with the two lipstick. And with the brush, the powers. There you go. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Yeah, I've been working on that all summer.
Oh my goodness.
And not done yet.
You gonna leave it like this the whole time?
I am.
I'll blame you.
See, I can slide this table.
Yeah.
And that part up through there.
Okay.
I can slide that out. And then that, from that, where the train track is, this way is all one table, and I can roll it out. Because I got a new piece going up here, and a new one's going to go all the way across that wall.
Yeah, so pretty.
Alright.
So yan, naghanap tayo ng mga bag pang Christmas gift for Secret Santa sa work. So, sana hanap. Yun ba? Tingnan ito mga Michael Kors. Magkano yung mga Michael Kors? Yan siya. Ito kaya ganun. So yung mga belt. Mga belt. So ayan. Hanap tayo ng mga magaganda. Cute naman ito ng mga bag. Ito guys, sagano kayang gas? Mura lang siya, 34. Ito pa, ang cute ng bag na to. Kaya itong bag to, 9 West. Mura lang siyang bag dito. Mura lang siya. Oh, Valentino daw, oh. Valentino Orlandi. Magkano naman to? 24 lang siya. Mura lang siya mga bag na ganito. Mga mura dito na bag. Mga brand. Pero mura na. Ito, I guess, mura lang siya. $34. Pag mahilig ka sa mga ganyan, mga mura lang yung bag. So, yun lang.